Marzu from Greenwell Public School. Today's my topic is smart dustbin. A smart dustbin is an advanced sensor educated trash or container that controls waste management through automated features and connectivity. These systems use sensors to detect when they are full, which triggers notification to sanitation crews, enabling them to optimize collection routes. All prevent overflowing beyond full level monitoring. Smart dustbins can also feature automatic lid opening for improved hygiene and may use technologies like GPS and IoT for enhanced tracking and data collection in smart city environment. Key features and functions: waste level detection. Ultrasonic or other sensors monitors the amount of trash inside the bin. Real-time alert. When a bin is full, it sends an alert. Example: SMS or a central dashboard to designated personnel, often with the bin's location. Optimize collection routes. Data from multiple smart bins can be used to create more efficient routes of waste collection, trucks saving time and fuel. Automatic lid operation. Some smart dustbins use a sensor and motor to automatically open the lid when someone approaches, which is beneficial for hygiene and hands-free use. Data collection. Smart bins gather data on waste generation, which can be analyzed to identify waste patterns and help in creating waste reduction plans. Connectivity. The system used wireless technology like Wi-Fi, GSM, or other protocols to communicate with a central system and mobile devices. Additional features: some models can include features like visual indicates, free sensors, and GPS modules for precise location tracking. Benefits of a smart dustbin: increase efficiency, reduce unnecessary collection trips, lowers operational cost of sanitation department, and make waste management more centralized. Improved Improved public health, prevents bins from overflowing, which helps in controlling pests like flies and mosquitoes and reduce foul odors. Environmental impact, contribute to a cleaner environment and support sustainability goals by enabling more effective recycling and waste reduction efforts. Season engagement. In- Integrated mobile application can provide users with information about waste collection and promote more responsible waste habits. Then future potential. Automation. Future system could incomplete robotic arms or automated systems for waste sorting and emptying. Integration. Smart dustbins can be a part of a large city infrastructure, integrating with traffic management and other than systems. Thank you. It is the end of my topic.